Hi guys, it's Jennifer Collins here. I had an interesting conversation last night with a lady about the difference between an interior designer and a furniture showroom with sales clerks. And it made me realize that it's not completely clear in people's minds that there is a distinct difference between the advice you get from one versus another. When I approach the design of a space, I am very clear about outlining the mandates and the qualifications and the specifications for every single piece that's going in there. It's not random, it's not generic, it's each and every single puzzle piece fits very specifically and very deliberately in with each and every other piece. And that's not just every other piece of furniture or lighting, it's also how those pieces relate to the pieces that are your walls and your ceiling and your floor and your windows and your window treatments and any other fixed elements you may have built in, fireplace, cabinetry, whatever. Every single element in there contributes and impacts every other single one. And so you may feel like as a homeowner that you need a new sofa, and you go to the store and you're talking about sofas with a clerk, and they don't know all those other pieces, first of all. Second of all, even if they did, that's not what they do. They are hopefully experts in selling furniture. They know the quality. They know hopefully the fiber content and the care and the maintenance and what level would be appropriate for you in those regards when it comes to sofas as a general element. But how the sofa will work in your environment, in your space, is not something that they know, even if they have your measurements. So getting advice from one is really totally different than getting advice from another. Now, your interior designer advice should also know the quality of the furniture, the fiber content, the ease of care, the maintenance, blah, blah, blah. But they don't always. But they're not interchangeable. So when furniture showrooms or stores offer free design service, unless they've been to your house and interviewed you exclusively and understand how you live and all the variables that can impact every minute decision that's going to be made, they really truly aren't able to help you to the degree that someone who is focused on your project and your project as a holistic answer that's best suited to your family can give you. So that was the conversation, and I thought it was really interesting because it hadn't occurred to me quite so clearly before that there's that disconnect. I would love to hear what you guys think. If you have thoughts or experiences, please share. Let's talk about the difference, or if you feel that there is one at all. I'd like to know your thoughts. Okay, take care, guys. Bye.